Hello and welcome again to the Counterman Education Center. We have Eric here with us today, and Eric's going to talk to us about a pretty important vehicle technology. We're talking about variable valve timing. Take it away, Eric.
Thanks, Jeff. Well, variable valve timing is really cool stuff, in my opinion. But what's neat about it is if you go back and to understand it, you go many years back before we had VVT systems, and valve timing is a critical component of engine design, and it changes the characteristics of that engine. So many years ago, depending on the valve timing, you might have a vehicle like a muscle car that was designed for high RPM operation, high horsepower acceleration, or you might have a vehicle like a truck or a van that was designed for towing heavy loads and trailers and boats, and they had different valve timing that was built into the camshaft of the vehicle. But it was only one way or another. It was way before electronics. So what electronics and computers did was now we have variable valve timing since they control the camshafts, and as the vehicle is running, the computer can vary that valve timing for low end torque and operation, high end horsepower and performance. So you have the best of both worlds. So it involves solenoids. Most of them work off of oil pressure and variable cam gears. So it's a really awesome technology, and that's one of the reasons engines today make so much power and perform so well.
Seems like we've come a long way in terms of this technology.
Absolutely.
All right.
And the one thing that's so important to remember is oil changes. It's all operates off of oil and hydraulics, so you've got to change your oil on a regular basis.
A good reminder. Thanks, Eric.
Yep.
Thank you for watching the Counterman Education Center. We'll see you next time.